Hello everybody, Cindy Greenway here, Editor-in-Chief at lawmarketing.com, and I'm here with Larry Bodine, the lawyer's blog guru, who's a former practicing attorney who knows how to turn website visitors into clients for trial law firms. So Larry, thanks for joining me here today.
Good morning, how are you?
Good, thank you. Now, you're always my go-to person for research, and I know you've got some new details, some new research that shows that Yelp is the most popular and trusted lawyer website today. So talk to us a little bit about that.
Well, this was some very surprising research, and it's by a company called Software Advice, a company in Austin, Texas, and it found that basically, lawyers have been investing all this money in listings in Martindale Hubble and Avo and super lawyers, but the people have spoken, and the first place that they turn to for online lawyer reviews is Yelp. I thought that was very surprising.
That is very surprising. I was very surprised when I saw this posted on your blog not too long ago. So talk to us about how that affects attorneys today, because there's a big push on getting listed in Martindale Hubble and Avo and some of these other places. So how does this affect attorneys and where they really focus their energy when it comes to their listings?
Well, lawyers just first of all need to be aware that consumers are going to Yelp. And they're looking for reviews. That's the first thing they want to see. So one of the things that I would recommend is kind of a rapid response team being set up for client communications. That's one way to get really good reviews. The other is to do a client onboarding process where you ask people how they found your law firm, and if they found you through a Yelp review, ask them if they wouldn't mind giving a positive review. And then, of course, at the end of a case where there's a settlement or some kind of a good outcome for the client, you should specifically ask them to say something positive about you on Yelp.
And Larry, that's so important too, because I think we quite often will forget about those little details like that as far as, how did you find us? It's a question that very few attorneys are asking these days, so they don't always know, what strategies out there are working for them. So asking that and then doing that piece there where, could you post a positive review for us on Yelp? And just asking. I think attorneys, would you agree, do attorneys have some trouble with requesting that of their clients?
Well, I think so, but it's something that you've got to overcome because this is where clients are looking. And one more takeaway, what clients are looking for on Yelp is the quality of the service that you provide. And the way that consumers define that is how well you explain their legal options to them. So if they come away from a meeting with you and they understand clearly what the law is and what choices they have, they're going to, that's what they want, and that's what's going to generate more business for you.
So they don't care about the 25 years experience or the 30 attorneys that you have in the practice. None of that's important. So
no, they don't care where you went to law school. They don't care about your credentials or any of that stuff. They want to know about your client service.
Great. Well, Larry, thanks once again for sharing this information with us. I know that people can find you at larrybodine.com, and we'll be talking to you again real soon, so thank you.
Thank you.